In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable spell check on Notion. We are going to do this directly inside the Notion desktop app, using the right-click menu. Before we start, it helps to know how Notion handles spell check. There is not a single global switch in Notion settings that turns spell check off everywhere. Instead, you disable it from the page where you are writing, and in many cases it will continue to stay disabled as you keep working in the app. First, open Notion and go to a new page. You can do this from your sidebar by selecting New Page, or by opening any page where you plan to type. Once you are on the page, click into the main writing area so your text cursor is active. Now type a word that will be marked as misspelled. This is important because the spell check option only appears when Notion detects an underlined word. If you do not see an underline, try typing a deliberately incorrect word, or wait a moment for the underline to appear. When you see the red underline under the misspelled word, right-click directly on that underlined word. This opens the context menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Disable Spell Check and select it. As soon as you click it, Notion will stop showing those red underlines for spelling on that page. If you are not seeing the Disable Spell Check option, make sure you right-clicked on the underlined word itself, not just somewhere nearby. Also confirm you are using the desktop app. If you are working in Notion in a web browser, the spell check behavior is controlled by your browser, not by Notion. In that case, you would need to turn off spell check in your browser settings instead. After you disable spell check, you can continue typing normally. The page should no longer highlight misspellings, which is useful if you work with technical terms, names, or multiple languages, and you want a cleaner writing experience. If you ever want spell check back, you can typically reverse it by right-clicking an underlined word again when spell check is enabled, and using the same menu options. And that is all there is to it.